Every once in a while, you need a night like this. No reservations, no rushing, just a fire and something great to cook. Tonight, it is Iberico ribs from Campo Grande. These ribs are from Spain, and you can see the difference right away. Beautiful marbling, incredible flavor, and when the ingredients are this good, the whole night feels a little bit more special. I'm keeping it simple, just a good seasoning, and when the pork is this good, you don't need to overthink it. Fire, time, and patience do the rest. This is what makes Iberico pork different. That marbling runs all the way through the meat. It keeps everything juicy and full of flavor. And honestly, it makes cooking feel easy. Just let the fire do its thing. With ribs, you let them cook until they're perfectly tender. Right around 200 degrees. That's when the meat becomes unbelievably soft and rich. And look at that, juicy, tender, full of flavor. This is how pork should be. Oh, it is so good. Great restaurants create amazing moments, but sometimes the best table in the house, it is your own backyard.